Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome to another week of the vlog here. We are rolling into the month of October in the shop. So this week's major project that we got going on here is giant fire truck wheels. So this is awesome. So these things are off the fire trucks one of the fire trucks at the airport right over across the way, which is cool. But they're absolutely huge. They are a multi-piece wheel, but only the lip comes off the one side and the rest of it is completely together. As you can see here, it fills up the entire blast cabinet we have at the shop here. So anyway, it takes two of us to get it in. Watch me and Tyler struggle to do that. So we got the final of these big wheels blasted yesterday, and the goal for today to round out this week is to get two of them fully in color here. But our first problem is we need to hang them.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.
Alright, just like that, we got first wheel hung with the chain and about 27 hooks here because I don't have big hooks. But sure, I guess that seems alright for me. So now we'll get it cleaned up here and get it in the booth to do a little spraying. Okay, so not too bad actually. Check this out. There's a little bit of orange peel to it, but that's to be expected with something this big. But overall, actually let me check. Need my light here. Let's check in the back side here. Look like we got, it looks like about as good as we're gonna get there. So okay, I'm pretty good with that. So it's pretty much about as good as we're gonna get. So second wheel's now in there with primer on it. We'll bake that out, pull it out, let it cool for a while, shoot the black on, get that in there, and that'll be our two done for the day. So we'll finish this project up next week. Pumpkin carving to come this weekend.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.